What's up, dudes? Hope you guys are doing good. Today we got a little bit of a different video. We're going to be taking a look at a clogged Rusto can and see if we can get it to unclog. I ran across this kind of like redneck channel where it's like, you know, down home repairs or something. I honestly don't remember what it was, and I should include a link, you know, because this was the inspiration for this video. I feel like a terrible YouTuber right now, but if I find it, I'll put it down below. So anyways, he had this whole idea of how to refill a WD-40 can, you know, refill the pressure of a WD-40 can with an air compressor. And, you know, I was like, I wonder if we can unclog a Rusto can with that. So that's what we're gonna do today. Will it work? I don't know. Let's find out. Okay guys, so we got this little sprayer right here. This is for, like, you know, blowing dust and stuff like that. So it looks like it fits perfectly right over the hole. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out. I think the key is to start spraying before you push down, right? So start spraying. We'll be pretty good. So let's go ahead and take this fat cap right here. We got some AP, I'm sorry, these aren't AP female fats. These are the regular Rusto female fats. Put one of these on there. Now, if this unclogs it right away, I'm gonna be pretty pumped. Holy shit! It actually worked. Whoa! That quickly, wow. Wow, and it gave the Rusto a lot more gusto. Oh, no, it clogged again. Damn it. Okay, okay. That's actually, that bodes well though, that bodes well. Let's just turn it up to 125, just a little bit more pressure. There we go, about right there, okay. I think I'm gonna have to put my camera on a tripod because it's a little bit sketchy. All right, let's try one more time. Oh, there we go. Oh, nice. Yes. Oh, that is sweet. It worked. It actually worked. I can't believe it. So there you go. If you have a clogged Rusto can and you want to make sure you get that last bit of juice out of it, just shoot some air in it. And you know what? Put a little bit of extra pressure in there. It'll spray a little bit fatter too, which is really cool. But remember, don't try this at home. Don't ever try this at all. Don't do what I just did. This is just for informational purposes. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it inspired you a little bit. Maybe you might want to try something out, experiment, mess around, see what's up. You just never know what you want to do. The things that you shouldn't do. I'll see you guys later. Bye.